Alright guys, I'm going to make a video that I actually shot a couple weeks ago. Sorry for the bounciness here. I spent $20 at Walmart. Got a pair of snap ring pliers. Came with 4 different heads. They're pretty easy to change out. You just I forget how to do it now. You just do that and then, lift this off. Next pair goes on and get this through the hole. So it goes through the hole like that. The spring's there, and just push it up and then you're good to go. So I don't have, I'm not great at pulling tools apart when I burn them up. I can't afford to send everything to junk from work. So I got these sons of guns to deal with that. I think it was $5. This next thing came in. Is about $15. It is a car mechanic kit. So for all my mechanics out there, I'd like you to comment below to tell me, we know it's hyper tough quality, right? I'm sure you guys have been in Walmart and you've played with them and touched them and felt them. Let me know if this kit is pretty decent to keep in your car or on your motorcycle just for emergency. Do they cover most of the bases? Because you can't cover them all. But I'd really like to know. So I'm going to open it up. I'll go over everything that's in here. And I'd like to hear from my mechanic friends if it's a half decent kit for Joe Schmo to leave in his car, Let's open her up. First of all, it's not too big, It's not very thick. And we open her up, and there we go. We have it. What do we have? Well, first we'll start off. We got a spark plug gap tool. Alright. So that comes in the kit. I have not had to gap my spark plugs for a very, very long time. Also has a tire pressure gauge tool. Shows where your tire pressure is at. You have a spark plug ratchet. This one is 13/16 21 millimeter chrome. If you guys can see that with the lighting. And then you have another spark plug ratchet, which is 5/8 16 millimeter. Not too bad, Then you have a ratchet. Looks like it's a 3/8 head, would it be, or is that it? Is that a head? So that's loosening. And we'll go righty tighty. Not very smooth, but might be able to get the job done. Alright, in terms of socket sizes, they have up to 15 millimeter, 14, 12, 10, 8. So 8 to 15 millimeters on the metric side. Well, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. And then on the standard side, we got 7/16, 3/8, half inch, 9/16, and 11/16. So those are the sizes there. I have a screwdriver with some heads. The first set of heads are flat heads, 1/8, 5/32, 3/16, 1/4, 9/32. And then it has H heads, H 1/8, H 5/32, H 3/16, H 7/32, H 1/4. And then on these, it has Phillips 1, Phillips 2, Phillips 3, square 1, square 2, square 3, T10, T15, T20, and T25. So those are all the bit heads for the screwdriver. Pretty good arrangement, I think, but like, I'm not a mechanic, so I can't sit here and tell you, yeah, this is great for 15 bucks, you know? So, I really like my mechanic friends down in the comment section to at least say, do they cover a pretty good array of tools. Now this, you got a 6-inch crescent wrench, says heavy duty, 150 millimeter forged, you know, in a pinch might help. Then we got metric. We got 11, 10, 12, 14, and that's it for the metric on the open end wrenches, or box wrenches, or whatever you want to call them. And then for the standard, you got 3/8 and 9 or 7/16, and then you got 9/16 and a ½ inch. And then the last two tools in the kit, one's vice grips, small pair. From my experience, vice grips are usually the oh shit tool, or oh crap, however you'd like to phrase it. And this is actually Torx key set. It goes T9, T10, T15, T20, T25, T40, T30, T27. So I mean, like I said, that's the kit. You guys know, might not know what the quality of Hyper Tough is. It's not bad. But for 15 bucks, does this kit include what you would need to maybe make a on-the-go repair? Is it worth $15-16 to throw in your car and just have. Please let me know in the comment section. They're not high quality tools, but to me it seems like a nice little kit to keep in the car. Let me know your opinions in the comments, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.